Wormy dudes, dough balls, and corn, oh my! We're back at Meadowbrook. You're watching Punchline and Sinker.
So we'll teach you how to use this baitcaster. That one's Scotty's.
Oh, it's light.
Yeah. So yeah, I can take you up there now.
I have no idea.
I dubbed the Sir.
What?
I'm a sir!
Sir something. We just added an S.
So how do you,
Yes,
how does this release? So I'm just like holding the reel.
We'll get there.
Once I let go,
Your thumb will be the
so
control.
it's basically like always released.
Nah, you'll have to hit the button first, and then.
Oh, what's the button?
Yeah. We'll get over there. All right, we're gonna grab all our stuff and head out there. So I'll catch you over there.
All right, so we got a pretty simple setup going on, right, y'all? Grab my navigator. This is actually a pole that I like to use for trout fishing. But today, we're gonna try and let loose on some carp and some bass. I'm going to be dropping in with a bobber, size 4, size 6 hook, I can't remember, and a little bit of wormy dude. Some wormy dude. We're dropping him in, and he's gonna go exploring down there. Now, last time me and Pete were here, if y'all recall, it was carp, them big carps we was talking about. That's our target for, my target for today. Pete and our buddy Jerry over at the main lake trying to get some bass. Jerry's trying to learn how to use a bait caster, and of course mine's the guinea pig, but mine's actually relatively easy to use, so hopefully he learns rather well. He's got a sweet setup coming. He's got a combo, lose combo. Bro, look professional. Come on now. Ain't no fish in no dang tree. What you doing? Look at that, he cast it and didn't nest it. Nice. It started to get, like, the line started to get loose on there, though. I was like, oh crap.
You're okay, man. I trust you.
What the fuck? It's snowing!
Yeah, this guy's got a fire going. That's why the stuff's all over the lake. I wonder if that's gonna affect the fishing. Probably, huh? There's ash all over the lake right now.
Down here at Meadowbrook with Ivan, slathering him up some worms. Them worms are literally over a week old.
And they're still alive.
Yep, kept them in my fridge, and for whatever.
Dude, I'm gonna kill you.
What?
Not you, the worm. Sorry. Oh goodness.
Here.
This thing's huge.
Get him off there. Slide your hand down and thing. Yep.
Okay.
There you go. Right now. There you go. Squeeze it a little bit. Grab him. Yep. Get your other hand on the hook.
Finally, I got one.
Boom. Done deal. Put him back. Nice release. Come on. Nice release. Yeah. Attaboy. Easy peasy.
Attaboy, Stevie.
Give me a little dab, maybe.
I was way down yonder. I don't know if you guys can see Ivan. That's where I was at. That's where I caught my bass. Wallowed my happy butt up to here. I saw this brush, the logs and stuff. We're gonna try some castaroonies. Y'all didn't see that? Yeah. I don't know if y'all can see right where that landed. But out there go my bobber. About right there. My bobber. And all around this frickin' area there's been a fish gulping up stuff on the surface now. I understand I'm not using top baits or anything like that, but I'm hoping it's something big, probably a bass is my assumption. Might be a carp as well. Something either doesn't like it, wants to get it out of its way and strikes at it just cause, or because it seems like they're eating right now. I'm hoping I get lucky and get a strike. Otherwise, I'm about to move back down to the honey hole and try for that carp. Here you go, Uncle Pete.
Hello.
What'd you switch to?
Worm.
Oh, jighead.
Give me a worm.
Jighead with a wormy. A wormy dude. I don't know how deep to put any of it. Dude, it's moving, but I'm pretty sure it's just the,
Little reds.
I figured it'd be better. Maybe, these big lunkers, want a little bit more meat on their hook. Hey, I have wipes down there too, by the way.
Sweet. It doesn't do me any good. They're down there.
Good point, yeah, good point.
I'll just lick it.
Never really, I mean, I have, but like, I've never really bobber fished much with my baitcaster, so.
This will be interesting. Oh, dude, you got it. Oh, yeah.
It's a little guy though.
Oh, it's a bluegill.
It's a little bluegill. I just saw a big flash over there though, real big. Probably a carp, but it looks silver, so I don't know.
Keep giving her heck.
This little tiny baby, dude, I hooked him in the eyeball.
Oh,
Oh no.
he's a little baby.
Sorry.
We kept the damn bucket. We could have used these for.
Oh, dude.
See that
The
blooper?
bucket's down there.
Well, I mean, you already tossed the
You wanna go
bag.
catfishing tonight?
But yeah.
This is it. This is exactly what we need to be doing, man.
Well, except for, well, I mean, we should go back over to the honey hole because it's going to be throw it in, take them out. Because the catfishes, they think them bluegills, especially cut up, are most delicious.
Seriously though. It's a bluegill. It's a bluegill. I thought it was a real fish. It's not.
So I invited my brother-in-law and my two nephews. One's his son. They're both autistic, and they love fishing. There goes Mikey.
Hey, we about to fish right now. I just need my fishing book. I just need a.
There goes Uncle Wick. Setting that up. What's wrong?
This line is messed up.
Whose line?
Is gone, man.
Whose line?
Mine.
Caught it on the tree.
Yeah. I caught on the tree and I pulled it and I made it like a.
Figure it out.
You guys probably need to subscribe to this video and this is water. Yeah, and you can will catch some fish or else. I'm gonna show you in the bigger one.
Back to you.
It's going crazy too.
Is that a carp?
I can't tell at the moment.
There's a floppy fish. Look at that floppy fish. He's so shiny. See that? That's carp.
Let's go.
No, it's not. It's one of them.
That's
Oh.
chunk. Dude, it looks like carp.
It's
Look
making
at
a
it.
mess of my line right now.
You guys need me to bring the bucket over here?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not taking that.
Look at him.
Look at him.
Found it.
He was like, beep. Did you see him? Put his fin out. He made a mess of my line. That was a decent fish.
Yeah.
He's decent size, bro. He
Put
put up a
him
nice
up
little
here.
fight on the dock, demon.
At Meadowbrook. Give him the medal.
No, look professional.
Look professional, bro. Alright, here he goes.
And do both.
There's a scale.
Look at that, just a knot. Created and developed by Naughty Dog. I guess Naughty Fish. Golly. There's a spiderfish. There you go. You almost there. You see it? It's twisted.
I was just trying to figure out which direction.
Yep. Are you
No,
twisting them all?
can't tell at this point.
There you go, you're getting it. Ta-da!
Thanks, brother.
No problem.
Catch that with a worm?
Look professional.
Nice. Always professional.
I like that one better.
Looking
than my
professional, bro. See? Picking up our trash. We ain't leaving nothing. Starting by blinding all you motherfuckers.
No, right? It's for real, though.
Beep, 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 seizure. Can't see.
Come back, bro. Stay away from the light, but go
So that
towards
pretty
the...
much
I don't
wraps
know.
it up at Meadowbrook.
I caught, like, I don't even know what it was. A chub, a creek chub. Big one at that.
Pretty sure it was just a small
Carp.
carp 18.
I think it was a creek chub.
We carped the frickin' diem. I got me a bass, and we got plenty of bluegill.
Hey everybody, welcome to Boats and Hose Fishing here. We just caught a whole bunch.
No, we changed the name. Sorry.
Yeah, it's not Boats and Bros anymore, or Boats and
I
Hose.
said Boats and Hose.
Yeah,
It's punchline and sinker now.
Boats and Hose Fishing Incorporated here over at Meadowbrook. We just caught about 20 fish.
I hope he knows we're going to use all of that.
We're just rocking it, you know.
So we'll see you guys next time out on the lake or wherever. Punchline sinker. Please like, subscribe, and
Look professional.
look professional, bros.
Oh my god.
Mikey! Mike, give me my keys, you little weirdo.
Look professional, bro. Look
Go.
Get
professional.
your
You guys probably need to subscribe to this video